So my lips are going to hate me after I do this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my 20 days till fall series. If any of you are like me, I used to be really intimidated by red lipstick. It freaked me out. There's 30 plus shades of red lipstick, and where do you even begin when you decide that you want to wear a red lip? Before we jump into this tutorial, I wanted to tell you guys a little secret on how to know what red lipstick is right for you. And the most important thing that you can know is your undertone. Do that simply by looking at the inside of your wrist and checking out the veins. If your veins are blue, then you most likely have a cool undertone. If your veins are green, then you most likely have a warm undertone. If they're a mix of the two, then you most likely have a neutral skin tone. If you have a neutral skin tone, then lucky you, because you can wear basically anything and it will look great on you. So my lips are going to hate me after I do this video, but it's okay because I wanted to make sure you guys had the perfect tutorial, perfect demonstration of each color of red. I have cotton balls here and I have my amazing Garnier Skin Active Miracle cleansing water. If you don't have any of this, you should get it because makeup to the next level, because you can just take it off so easily. So right now I'm going to take off the lipstick that I have on. We're going to do these swatches with no primer, no nothing. The first one I want to start with is from SMASHBOX. This is from the Be Legendary collection, and this is actually in the shade Legendary. This shade of red has a blue undertone. It is a raspberry red. It works perfectly with fair skin. It warms up that cool pink undertone that fair-skinned people have. So this shade is nice because it warms up the face. As you can tell with my face, it just warms it up, it brightens it. This is a great lipstick for a dinner party, for a night out, for an event, anything like that. You could even wear it daily or even to work if you wanted to. It's a nice, deep, rich red, wonderfully with fair skin, and it really brightens up, it warms up those pink undertones in the fair skin. My lips are going to hate me after this, but I love you guys and just want to do a good job for you. I will post all of these lipsticks below and where you can get them and the price point. SMASHBOX lipsticks are typically about $21, $22, but I will post it all below so you guys won't miss out on anything if there's a shade that you absolutely loved. The next shade that we're going to go with is also from SMASHBOX. This is also from the Be Legendary collection, and this is the shade Power On. This is a matte lipstick and it is a poppy coral red. This red is perfect on fair-skinned redheads. It's beautiful. It really amps up their look. It also works great on medium to light skin tones. I feel like this poppy shade works great for cool and warm skin tones. It's just a very good neutral colored lipstick. I'd also compare it to ColourPop's Creeper. It has that same pinky red shade. This line of SMASHBOX, the Be Legendary collection, is great because it has a lot of vitamins in it. It's not drying. It actually glides on smoothly and it has a great staying power. This shade Power On is perfect for school, for work, for a day out shopping. It's just a nice, fun, flirty red with those pink undertones. It also kind of reminds me of Valentine's Day, but it's beautiful and it has that coral pink shade to it. So it's just a nice, easy red. If you're intimidated by red lipsticks, then I highly recommend reds that lean to the coral or to the poppy side of pink because they're not overwhelming and they don't make you feel uncomfortable. You know how sometimes you'll put on a red lipstick and you're like, oh my gosh, I look just like a clown and I can't wear this out. This shade Power On is perfect because it is more on the pink side. Since I've started this video out talking about primarily cool undertones with fair skin, I'm gonna keep going with that and then we'll kind of build our way up. But the next one that I'm going to talk about is extremely affordable. It is the NYX Butter lipstick. They're about $6. You can get them at any drugstore. This is in the shade LIFEGUARD, and this is a beautiful raspberry red. It works awesome on fair skin. It also works beautifully on darker skin. It's another one that is well-rounded neutral red. It has more of a purple undertone versus blue, so it is just a really nice well-rounded red. And this NYX Butter lipstick seriously feels like butter. It's very nourishing to the lip. I love this red because it is deeper. It's a richer red compared to the first two. It's perfect for like a Christmas party or a date night, something like that. You can also wear it to work. I'm one of those people where I will wear red lipstick to work, or I will wear it grocery shopping, or I'll wear it anywhere because I feel like it's such a powerful accessory. It just looks phenomenal. People really are drawn to it. You know, I read a study once where they said women who wear red lipstick are taken more seriously. I don't know if that's true, but I can tell you that from my experience waiting tables, when I wore red lipstick, I made at least 10% more in tips. So if you're a server, wear red lipstick. But this shade is beautiful. It has a purple undertone. It feels nice. It's silky. It keeps the teeth white, because that's what you really want with reds. You have to be careful because some of them will yellow your teeth, and you don't ever want that. Oh, I feel like that would just give you a complex in itself. But this red really enhances the whiteness of the teeth. It has a purple undertone. It looks beautiful on fair skin and medium to dark skin. It's just a nice, well-rounded red.
My face is starting to look red.
Next one we're going to talk about is one that I feel looks astonishing on medium to dark skin tones. It also could work really well for fair-skinned women who lean more to a warm undertone. I think looks absolutely perfect for holiday events, for a night out, for something that you want to like up your class game. It's a classic, beautiful red. Now this is Sephora's classic lipstick line. It is $14 and this is shade Pure Red or number 19. This red is one of those ones that just like screams sex appeal. I love it. I think it's so sexy and elegant. It makes me feel like Marilyn Monroe. Perfectly paired with a plain cat eye. It just oozes sex appeal. It's one of those ones where when I put it on, I just feel like so beautiful. Like I love it. It's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous deep red. In my opinion, this is one of those reds that is better for somebody who is confident in red lipstick, who is not afraid to wear a bold red. This is just a bold red lipstick. But again, I think it's beautiful. It's one of my favorites. It's just elegant, classic. I saved the most difficult ones to get off for last. The last three that I'm going to be showing you are from ColourPop. Each of these lipsticks are from their Ultra Matte collection. They are very, very, very drying. I'm just going to tell you that now. They will suck up all the moisture in your lips, so you are fair warned So you're fair warned, but ColourPop, if you have not tried their liquid lipsticks, they are just out of this world, and they're inexpensive. They're only $6. Some are $6.50, I think, but I have been a ColourPop fan since before they were even well known. So I love them. I can't get enough of them, but I'm going to tell you that they are very drying, especially when you get into the deeper pigmented lipsticks. I'm gonna save these three for last, and those are the ones that we're gonna go into now, and I'm going to go ahead and start with Cozy. Cozy is my favorite red from ColourPop. It's beautiful. It is an orange red. Orange reds are my favorite reds. They are fun, they're flirty, they are designed for a warm undertone. If you have olive skin, have you met orange? Like, olive, have you met orange? Because orange is your best friend when you have olive toned skin. It looks beautiful on dark complected women, or if you have a warm undertone, it just looks phenomenal on you. Just, oh, I love it so much. This is just the perfect balance between red and orange. So Cozy is my go-to meeting red. If I have to meet with clients, if I have a work meeting, if I have anything like that, or if it's just a coffee date, Cozy is my favorite red to wear. I get a lot of compliments on it. It's just a beautiful orange red. Okay, you guys, I'm starting to feel the burn. Have you seen how, like, my face is turned all red? I look like I shaved my face, and this is like really bad razor burn. All right, only 2 to go. Are you guys still with me? We got this, right? We got this. I'm the one enduring the pain for you because I love you that much. The next one that, your nose itches. The next one we are going to be talking about is Love Bug. Love Bug is beautiful. It is a deep mahogany red. It leans more to the brown side, I would say. It's great on medium to dark skin. This is a beautiful shade, but this lipstick is probably the worst lipstick ever. I don't know if everyone's from ColourPop, their Love Bug is like this, but my Love Bug is not a very loving bug. It is so drying. It is the most difficult lipstick to put on, but I love this shade, and maybe you guys have a dupe for it because I've always had an issue with my tube. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you right now that I can feel it sucking the moisture out of my face, out of my mouth. My mouth feels, did you ever watch that episode of SpongeBob where his like lips, his lips or like his whole body just like crumpled up and fell apart because he was so thirsty? That's how I feel when I put this lipstick on. So if you wear Love Bug, make sure you hydrate your lips because it definitely sucks them dry. All right, you guys, we've made it to the end, and the last one that we are going to go with is called Mama. Mama is actually more drying than Love Bug, but it is a beautiful, genuine burnt orange. Burnt orange is hard to come by in the red lipstick game. This looks beautiful on dark skin, on Indian women, women with that tone, that warm, beautiful, olive-toned skin. It just really enhances their features. I love this lipstick, but it is drying. That's what I hate the most about these ultra matte lipsticks is they're just like, I don't have any lips anymore. Like I said, Mama is a true burnt orange. If you're wanting to try burnt orange lipsticks, then this one is definitely the way to go. It also works perfectly with that grunge lip that is popular for the fall season. This lipstick just yells fall to me. It's a classic color for the fall, and it can be worn at any time of the day. It's just a nice, well-rounded fall color. You've made it till the end of this video. Thank you for watching my first video in my 20 days till fall countdown. Make sure you subscribe. I would love for you guys to comment below which lipstick was your favorite, which ones you hated, which ones you've tried, and which ones you just throw away. I love talking with you guys. I'm always here for you, so make sure that you comment below. But this is my first video in my 20 days till fall countdown. I'm so excited for the season. Okay, that is enough of that. I don't know what I'm doing. But you guys, I need to go hydrate my lips. My lips feel super dry right now. Super dry. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to doing my next video. It will be on Friday. I can't wait to share it with you guys. This series is gonna be awesome, so I will see you all soon. Bye!